Hey, welcome back everybody to a new YouTube video, and guys, we're back at it. It is the morning to afternoon hours today, this Monday morning, and I just wanted to give you guys a look at what's going on at the moment. Nvidia is up at 139.58, so my calls are up significantly. I'm so blessed. I'm so happy that they're up. If you guys been following over the last videos, I talked about Nvidia. It can go up whenever, but I told you explicitly, buy calls in 2025 and 2026. Don't buy anything earlier because there's gonna be a lot of manipulation with hedge funds, and you can't really predict those when they're buying and selling, especially on Nvidia. This was a good play. Also, if you looked at Google, this was a absolute. I told you guys buy Google, even though 165 is not bad. It's gonna go up even more. SoFi is another good one I talked about. SoFi is probably going to hit double digits soon. So if you still don't want to miss out and enter the play, bless you, bless me, then I would enter it because it's going to hit $10 soon, and I'm probably going to sell around there. Or I might hold on. I'll let you guys know what I do. But Google's actually a pretty good one as well. Lyft did pop early in the morning. I did sell some Lyft today because I saw the big pop, and I just didn't. It's falling now. It could go back up over the week. I'm not really sure, but we'll see about Lyft. Definitely holding some stock there. Don't worry about Lyft. Lyft is definitely gonna go up. Let's just look at Meta real quick. I believe it's at 597. Yeah, this is gonna go past 600, probably 610, 620. So if you want to make a 10% or 8% trade, definitely choose Meta. Not bad. If I'm also looking at other stock. What other stock would I want to talk about? RKT is a little bit down, so that we don't need to look at that. Oklo is a little bit down. We don't need to look at that. Costco is a little bit down. One thing I wanted to mention was Tesla. Why you should buy this thing up if it's low. So we already bounced all the way down here. I would have bought more at 214, but I bounced up to 218. So you could swing trade this. It's possible it goes back to 200s, maybe below, and then I'll just buy it up there. Tesla overall, they have real estate for the electricity lines, so overall it's going to be a big thing in the future. 218 is still not bad if you want to buy it up. It might go down, but if you're looking for long-term play, Tesla's still a good play. And that's it for right now, guys. Just want to mention Nvidia. Let me just look at AMD. I just want to see where AMD and Intel are falling at. AMD, I would not really get into because nobody wants to write the financial report, and it's going to lead to some fraud. Intel 2345. This is not quite bad actually, but I'd have to see. This could go back to 30s actually. Intel you can buy right now if you want to do long-term trade, because I don't think the U.S. government is gonna let this thing go to the ground. And that's it for me, guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I might make another video today. I'm really pumped up. CrowdStrike's another good one also. I think it's 320 now. Yeah, you should have been following 313, dropped a little bit, but it's gonna go back to 400, bro. Just buy 313. It's gonna go back to 400. These are long-term holds. But if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you guys out, make some money. And yeah, that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It definitely helps the channel out a lot. And yeah, let's try to get to 200 subs. Let's get it, guys. All right, see you.